This is a quick video to show you how to use a Google document in the classroom that you can change so that all of your students can edit. So I'm going to share with you an example. I have my Google Documents open, and this is one I used in my 925 class yesterday. I'm going to open that document. So what I would do in the classroom, this would be an empty chart. You can see the students have already done this, but in the classroom yesterday it was really cool because each student typed his or her first name and their examples from the homework that I had them do. This assignment I created is a mistake correction chart. It's just in Google Documents, just a regular Google document. And what I did to let the students type in is I clicked share in the top right corner, and then I needed to change it so that anyone, right now anyone can view it and they can't change it. So I'm going to click on change, and then I'm going to click on that I want to change it to anyone can edit with the link. And then I copy the link, and then I can email it to them or put it in an announcement in Blackboard or wherever I want to share that to them, and they can get to it. The couple of students who couldn't get to technology in the classroom just came up and I typed it for them, but they were all able to type it once, and it was kind of fun because they were all busy. I told them it was for a little grade, so they all put their first name. You can see, for example, here Sierra didn't capitalize English, so she put that here, and then she and her chart says English, and then they're able to share this. Now students can go back to this link later, so what I like to do after class is sometime I click on this share again, and then I click on change, and I remember to change it back to viewer because I don't want anyone to add something weird to it later when I'm not paying attention. And that way, if we create a document in class together, they can all but go back and study it. We've done several short lessons like this so far, and it seems to work really well. What was really cool too is the students who were following along on Zoom were able to do it as well. I could see their names pop up. So it's a great way if you like to have them participate, but you're trying to avoid using paper this semester.